Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to get rid of itchy scalp. Imagine being in the middle of a conference and you are desperately trying to ignore the urge to itch your scalp. If the scenario sounds familiar, then you surely know how nagging it can be to have an itchy scalp, especially when you are in a public place. If you are wondering how to get rid of an itchy scalp, then first you need to know what causes it. The most common cause of an itchy scalp is dandruff, which can be brought on by conditions like dermatitis, eczema, psoriasis, and fungal or viral infections. You can also have an itchy scalp due to poor hair hygiene, dry scalp, ringworm, head lice, and unhealthy diet, anxiety, and sometimes due to an autoimmune disease. Without proper and timely care, it can lead to hair loss, acne, inflammation on the scalp, and open wounds due to constant scratching. There are a number of natural ingredients that can come to your aid in getting rid of an itchy scalp for good. Learn how to get rid of your itchy scalp using some effective home remedies. Home remedy number 1, tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties that can effectively kill the bacteria or fungus that may be causing your itchy scalp. Mix 2 or 3 drops of tea tree essential oil into 1 tablespoon of any mild shampoo. Use the mix like your regular shampoo, then rinse your hair with water. Use it daily for 1 week to get relief from an itchy scalp. Home remedy number 2, tea tree oil and olive oil. Tea tree oil and olive oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties that can effectively kill the bacteria or fungus that may be causing your itchy scalp. Mix 2 or 3 drops of tea tree essential oil into 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Apply the oil blend on your scalp, focusing on the dry and itchy areas. Massage your scalp gently. Let the oil set on your scalp overnight. Wash it out with your regular shampoo, followed with a conditioner. Repeat 2 or 3 times a week for 1 to 2 weeks to get complete relief. Home remedy number 3, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is very effective in relieving an itchy scalp. Pour half cup of apple cider vinegar into a pitcher. Add an equal amount of water to the pitcher. Mix the ingredient well. Rinse your hair with water and let it dry completely. Apply the diluted vinegar onto your scalp using a cotton ball. Massage your scalp for 1 to 2 minutes. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash your hair with your regular shampoo and apply a conditioner. Do it twice a week for 1 to 2 weeks. Home remedy number 4, coconut oil with lavender oil. Coconut oil helps soothe the scalp and reduce itching. Mix 2 or 3 drops of lavender essential oil into 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Apply the oil blend on your scalp. Cover your hair with a towel or shower cap and let the oils work on your scalp for at least 20 minutes. Shampoo and condition your hair as you normally would. Use it twice a week for 3 to 4 weeks and say bye-bye to your itchy scalp. Home remedy number 5, aloe vera. Aloe vera has a cooling effect on your scalp that can reduce the itchiness. Add 2 or 3 drops of lavender oil to 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Mix the ingredients well. You can either target the itchy spots or apply the mix to your entire scalp. Massage gently in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes to let the scalp absorb the gel. Leave it on for 20 minutes or overnight. Wash it out with a regular shampoo. Use this 3 times a week for 2 to 3 weeks to get relief. Home remedy number 6, lemon juice. Lemon juice is another common household item that helps cure an itchy and dry scalp. Use a hair dye brush to apply lemon juice evenly on your scalp. Leave it on your scalp for 5 minutes, then rinse it out with water. Apply 3 times a week for 1 to 2 weeks to get relief. Home remedy number 7, olive oil. Olive oil is a rich source of vitamin E that helps keep your hair moisturized and treat a dry and itchy scalp. Massage the olive oil onto your scalp. Leave it on overnight. You can cover your head with a shower cap to prevent staining your pillow. Wash it out with your regular shampoo in the morning. Use a conditioner after shampooing your hair. Use it twice a week and it will bring you relief within 2 to 3 weeks. There are a number of natural ingredients that can come to your aid in getting rid of an itchy scalp for good. So apply these remedies to get rid of itchy scalp. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.